In this video, we're going to show you how to install window sweeps on your Toyota Tundra located on your doors. Starting on the driver's side front door at the base of the B-pillar right here, here's a window sweep that runs along here, and there is a clip. I'm going to show you on the new one, there's a clip right here. So we're going to use our trim tool, we're going to pop that clip, and then once that's out, we're going to lift this up and out of the channel itself. You can go ahead and open up the door just a little bit if you want to. Go ahead and get up underneath, and go ahead and pry that up and out. And then we're just going to lift upward on this, pulling this up and out of the channel. As you get to this point here, right by the mirror, we do need to pull the sweep towards the rear because it goes underneath the sail panel here. So you can pull that out. See, it goes in there roughly about an inch or so. Now, if you broke the clip off inside the door as we did, simply go ahead and use whatever means it takes to remove that. We're going to use a pocket screwdriver to go ahead and remove this. There it is. Just pulling that little clip up and out of it. Now's a good time to go ahead and just use a towel to go ahead and clean this up. Now you're going to take your new window sweep and you're going to flip this over. You can notice that there is a groove right here. Well, this groove is where this pinch weld needs to be placed. So you're going to go ahead and set this in. Now this has to get pushed in roughly about an inch. So you want to make sure that the edge of the window sweep is pretty much close to the sail panel itself. So you're going to start by pressing this down and push it underneath that sail panel, like so, and then work your way down. As we come back to the tail section here, we have that clip. So what you're going to do is simply look down here, line up that clip as you still have a little bit of mobility here to move that sweep back and forth. Line up that clip, push it in, and you're going to feel it snap into place. Now you can go ahead and proceed all the way back down, locking that sweep down and in. Now we're going to replace our rear window sweep. It has a little retaining clip right here that locks in to this pillar. So we're going to start there using our trim tool. We can actually open up the front door, give you a little better access to this. Once we have that clip dislodged, we can simply start to push up. And as you go to lift this up, it gets pretty tight right in this area here. So what we're going to use is an angled pick. And what you do is, as you come around here, you're going to get just on the inside of that lip right here. And you're going to get that seal. You can see the end of it. And just start to pull it up. You need to dislodge that. And what you're undoing, there's a lip right here that locks in on the bottom side. As you pull up, now you're going to have to pull this out towards you. You can see that this goes right over the end here. Let's go ahead and clean up this upper edge. I'm going to take your new sweep. I'm going to start at the back section here. I want to work that on, work that back over that seal there. Now we need to line up this clip on the front side as well. That's going to tell you the whole placement of this window sweep. So I need to push this back just a little bit more. Now we want to go ahead and line up our clip here with the hole in the door. Press that in. Lock that in. Now we're going to work our way back down the sweep, pulling this down. And you can hear it snapping into place. Now you have both front and rear sweeps done. Go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.